Hi everyone. Today we're going to look at a classic coding interview problem called sort colors, also known as LeetCode 75. The problem is simple. You're given an array that contains only three numbers, 0, 1, and 2. They represent red, white, and blue. Your task is to sort the array in place so that all the zeros come first, then all the ones, and finally all the twos. There are two important constraints. You're not allowed to use built-in sorting functions, and ideally, you should solve it in just one pass through the array. Let's look at an example. If the input is 2, 0, 2, 1, 1, 0, the output should be 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2. After sorting, red is on the left, white is in the middle, and blue is on the right. That's exactly the order of the Dutch national flag, which is why this problem is also called the Dutch national flag problem. At first glance, you might think, why not just use quicksort or merge-sort? That would work, but those algorithms take O and log n time and don't take advantage of the fact that there are only three possible values. In interviews, the expected solution runs in linear time, O(n). Some people also think about using an extra array, placing 2s on the right, 0s on the left, and filling 1s in the middle. That scans the array once, but it uses extra space, so it doesn't meet the in-place requirement. Another straightforward approach is counting. You scan the array once and count how many 0s, 1s, and 2s there are. Then you scan again and overwrite the array with the correct number of 0s, 1s, and 2s. This runs in O(n) time and uses O1 extra space, since you only need 3 counters. But it still requires 2 passes, so it's not the optimal one-pass solution. Now let's talk about the optimal approach, the three-pointer algorithm. We use 3 pointers called low, current, and high. Low marks the right boundary of the 0 region. High marks the left boundary of the 2 region. Current is used to scan the array. At the start, low and current point to the beginning of the array, and high points to the end. Here's the key idea. As current moves through the array, if it sees a 0, we swap it with the element at low, then move both low and current forward. If it sees a 2, we swap it with the element at high, move high backward, but keep current where it is, because the swapped-in value hasn't been checked yet. If it sees a 1, we simply move current forward. Let's walk through the example. Current starts at the first element, which is 2. That belongs on the right, so we swap it with the value at high. High moves left, and current stays put. Now current points to a 0. That belongs on the left, so we swap it with low.